Let's open this box up.
What is in this box? Oh.
Ooh. Yes.
Hold on, hold up. Double tap.
There's a note. Wow, this is so sick. Okay, first of all, check out that package. Skate Roulette. It's not SKATE. Ages 12 plus, players 2 to 6.
I'm not old enough.
Time 30 to 90 minutes. Hey Braille, glad to see you all have been enjoying the Skate Roulette cards. It's true, we have been. It's a lot of people's favorite game. It's been so much fun watching you guys play and challenge yourselves by attempting all these crazy tricks. Well, because of the games you've been sharing with us, the abundance, I have been able to make a complete version of the game. This means redefined decks, new artwork, and some additional ways to play. This completed version is available for everyone at SkateRouletteCards.com. The game is available for purchase or free to download. Nice. I don't believe anyone should be limited by money in order to play. That's awesome. But if you want a nice printed version, it's available too. Skate Roulette is something for everyone to play and use first. I believe these cards can help rookies and veterans of skating progress, and that is the most important part. We'll see if these help you progress.
I hope so. This is actually my first time playing roulette.
You also can find the rules of the game, additional games, and some answers for a few questions people might have on the site. I've also provided a few blank cards to make the decks your own. Thank you for playing and hope you continue to have fun. West. Twitter at West Bunting, Instagram at WBunting5. Get your own cards from SkateRouletteCards.com.
I'm gonna read the PS because it's towards him, okay? PS, Lance the Skate God should play sometime. Try the beginner rules.
That's awesome. Let's do it. Okay, so let's open the deck and see what we got. So we have weird, obstacle, stance, and trick. So we got our 4 piles. When a player either collects 10 total cards or 3 weird cards, the game begins its final round. Interesting, this is new. Each player takes one last turn and then counts their total collected cards. The player with the most cards wins. We're a little bit short-staffed today, so it's just going to be Luke and Carlos playing today. Who's first?
Okay, so technically I picked the trick first, right?
Yeah.
Big spin.
You can decide if you want to pick more cards or just go for the big spin.
Stance. Nollie, big spin. Okay, so we'll just do that. I'll
Just pick a weird.
The weird?
Plus a try?
What does that mean?
It means you get another try.
Oh, okay.
See how it says combo? That means you can add another trick from that same pile.
I might as well. It's my first time, yeah. Remove one wheel. Wow. Okay. Let me go get a skate tool.
So he gets 4 tries to do a nollie big spin with 3 wheels.
You know what's funny? He's gonna do it. 100%.
I bet he'll do it first try. He's gonna win 4 cards and 2 weird cards. That means 1 more weird card and we go to the final round.
I just want to get a card, honestly.
Okay, so I'm just determining which wheel would not scrape if I landed.
Why is there a cat, but the board says duck?
Don't you have an imagination?
Luke, you're old with no imagination.
3 wheels. I think I'm gonna go nollie backside big spin, I guess.
3 more tries. Maybe it's a lot harder than we thought. Luke, you might have a chance.
Probably not.
Come on, Lucky Luke. You got this. Judge?
Got that.
All right, good job, Carlos. So Carlos just won 5 cards, 2 weird cards. Basically, we're almost done with the game now. 4 cards. 2 weird cards, though. The new rules say if you get 3 weird cards, then you go to the final round. We might have to change that. Or we can also just play multiple rounds.
My turn. Is that a 5-0 or a 50-50? 5-0. Obstacle. Mini ramp. Come on, mini ramp. Small box.
All right, hit that 5-0. First try, so he gets 2 cards.
I got some cards.
This is anyone's game at this point.
Next try. A revert. Combo revert.
Well, you can choose the combo or not.
Go obstacle. Kicker.
That's so easy.
Wait,
Kicker reverts.
Kicker revert. You can do that one.
I know, I could do.
Maybe.
I'll just do the kicker revert. Just keep it simple.
Too easy. I feel like we have to remove some cards for the advanced players.
That's why it's called roulette, man.
Varial. Okay, so backside varial.
Varial 180, you know, like sex change or something.
It's cool with me.
A backside varial flip would be a big flip.
I can't do that.
Okay, we're just gonna go with a big flip.
I have no idea how to do that.
Technically, you get 1 more try.
Just do a varial flip.
No go on that. I think what we're going to do from now on is we're going to call Troy the judge. So anytime there's a question on what the trick is or anything like that, Troy's going to be the decider.
Woo! Really? Of all things, laser flip. Oh my god. I'm gonna go obstacle because that'll definitely make this a little bit easier. Handrail. I mean, I'm gonna fail anyways. While catching an object. All right, so let's do this fail, okay? You're gonna watch me laser flip onto a handrail while trying to catch something.
I like the advanced rules.
Now you like them?
Now we're pushing you to do something you've never done before. What if you land it? I'm gonna give you the game.
I mean, I caught the obstacle.
You get 3 tries if you want to try it 2 more times.
So if it wasn't such a wish, I would actually try to land it. Oh, it's so scary. I don't know how people do this, dude. Like, anybody who skates handrails, like, I commend you guys. That is so scary.
I blame the throw. You threw it right at his gonads and it was too late.
Ow!
Matt,
Hey,
props for
though.
trying it.
I tried it, though.
Sometimes it's not about landing the trick, it's about the effort.
Okay, well, Luke, this is your chance to catch up.
Varial heel flip. Fakey. Fakey varial heel flip.
2 tries. Ooh. Dude, you have that. Get this, Luke.
Looks like an L today.
180. That is 90 times 2. 180 tray flip, which is...
A big flip, right?
Yeah, technically. No, I think it would be like a 540 bigger. So we'll just leave it at that, okay?
Hard rhino. Tough cookie.
Now's my time to shine. Nose manual.
Get a laser flip nose, Manny.
Nose manual skateboard.
Oh, you can
You have to like nose bump the board, basically.
I feel like Luke got this. He's been Hesh from day one.
I'm gonna ruin his grip tape.
Yeah, we did it.
We're all tied up. It's all tied up, baby.
No, are you sure? He's got 6.
Oh, just kidding, man.
It's gonna be some ridiculous thing. I already know it.
Shove it.
Shove it.
See, the Joey B strategy when he played this game, he would just take the shove it,
Regular shove
and
it.
he won.
Let's go weird with this. First try, regular shove it. Okay.
It's not weird, that's
Wait,
natural.
there's a star.
Must land it first try. Just because I love you, Luke. Sorry. Small set. So that means I have to pop shove it the 3-stair first try.
That's 4 cards.
That's why it's called roulette. You never know. I mean, come on, man. I had to like try to laser flip onto a handrail. This is like easier.
That's true. We can't call him lucky. He did get the laser flip onto the handrail.
I have to land it for sure, but because I have 4 tries.
All right, so Carlos got no cards on that one, and Luke is up next.
Crooked grind. Let's choose an obstacle. Small set. So can I crooked grind the hubba?
Oh! Yeah! Like it ain't no things.
Tooth cards. I have 2, 4, 6 cards.
All right, Los. It's tied up 6-6.
See what I can't do. Smith grind. That's debatable. I don't know if I want to pick an obstacle or a stance because I can't switch Smith. We'll go obstacle. Bank.
2 tries. Can he do it?
Wow, that's a lot of wax.
I think he's got it ready. Oh yeah, it's my boy.
So now he's got 8 cards.
Kickflip, dance, nollie. Let's just get a nollie kickflip. Kick that right to the ground.
He's got it, man. Just nollie, then kickflip. That's why they call me Lostradamus. Just mana prediction right there.
All right, 8-8.
Fetty.
What'd you get? No slide, huh?
Obstacle. This is for the 10 spot.
Oh, this was-
Large box. I'm at 10.
First try. All right, so now he has 10 cards. So that means the final round is now initiated. So I think the way this is going to work is Luke is going to go, and then there's going to be one more round after that. That will be fair.
Kick flip.
Dude.
Stance. Switch flip.
Luke is such a, how do I
He's
describe it? He's so
strategizing.
basic. He never goes combo. He never goes weird. I mean, he's like a very solid defensive player.
The Joey B strategy.
It's like the Joey B with one extra card. The final round works like this. You go and then Luke goes. So let's say you get cards, then Luke has to get cards. Or if you don't get any cards, then Luke has to get cards. I mean, if you guys both get no cards, then we'll just keep going until someone wins.
180. Front side. And
This one
we're
looks
gonna
good.
go obstacle,
Braille drop.
large box. So let's go weird, just because it's final round. I want to make it interesting. Take a card from a player. Dang it.
And you get
4 tries.
4 tries, yeah.
You get a shot. If you get 5 cards, then you guys will be tied at least.
But he gets one of my cards.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So you have to get 5 cards because you'll be at 9 and he's at 15. So you need 6 cards
But I can only take 4 at a time.
unless you get combos.
Just
You
board
should be able
slide.
to-
Why not? Stance. Nollie. Weird. Shoes tied together. Large set.
So you have to do the handrail or the hubba. Both your shoes tied together. Nollie
could
board
just put this
slide.
around his-
I mean, you're going to lose no matter what because you didn't get enough cards. Well, you want to give it a shot?
I'll pass.
Carlos, you want to give it a shot?
Look, guys, I love entertaining you, but I don't like dying in the process, so
How did you like that game?
that's fun.
Very fun.
Should we play one of the different rules? Full tilt. Players must select 1 card from each deck to define their trick. So in other words, in order to do a trick, you have to have 4 cards.
We have to pick 4 naturally.
So you can't
Yeah.
go basic no more.
No, you ain't no basic B in this game.
I want to do like
So we're going to play full tilt mode. First player to 10 cards wins. Rochambeau.
first trick. Ollie.
Lucky.
Okay, obstacle. Kicker. Weird. Land one-footed.
Ooh, that's getting a little,
Yeah, that's
getting
hard.
hard.
Stance. Nollie. Nollie off a kicker to
Land
1 foot.
Good luck.
You have 3 more tries. Started off easy with an ollie. This full tilt game is going to be really hard.
Oh, so much for that.
Here comes Luke's laser flip down the Braille drop blindfolded.
I'm down. Varial heel flip. The ledge. Bottle flip. Switch. I'll just do a bottle flip and call it a day. But no cards. Just for the fun.
Try the switch varial here once. The bottle flip was great.
Carlos could do it.
Maybe we should add a new rule. If the opponent doesn't land it, then you can opt to take it.
I'll try it.
Don't overflip. There's not that much water.
Oh, yes! Yes! I feel like a little kid right now, dude. I see, now I know why kids bottle flip. Keep it up, guys. Like, it's a really therapeutic trend.
You know those fidget spinners? I wonder if those will be a trend. Tray flip. Quarter pipe. That's a Carlos right there. Using 2 boards. Switch.
Oh my gosh.
You want to take my turn?
Switch tray using 2 boards on the quarter pipe.
You don't have to, you can just nix it.
I don't want to take the challenge.
Carlos, what are you doing? This is basically turned into Carlos Losser versus the Braille House.
You're telling me this. You want to switch tray and land on the other board?
It's cool with me.
Hey, I have an imagination.
I gotta give you props for trying. Oh. You tried the challenge. Let's go pick some new cards.
Better than me not trying.
All right, one more land, and then we're gonna call this a game because this is a little harder than we anticipated.
If Carlos Lastra can't do it, no one can. Kickflip.
There you go.
Well, that's a good sign. Bank.
Okay.
Oh,
you got a
okay.
chance.
Hands in pocket. Please be regular. Please be regular. Front side. What is that? Like,
Side flip.
Frontside kick flip with your hands in your pocket.
I'll try. Might as well, right? That's harder than I thought. This one's for Lance. Last try, right? I give up in life.
Carlos, do you want to give this a shot?
Interesting.
You'll see, he's got it.
You have no arms. How do you make momentum from nothing? It's way harder than it looks.
Last try, Carlos. I think you got it.
Tough cookie.
Nose slide. Small box.
Okay, this is the one.
Holding a second board. Nollie.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
That's hard. That nollie no slide.
A little bit.
Oh, 4-4. Okay.
To be honest, did anyone think I was gonna do that?
No, that's definitely not. Oh, I mean, yeah. How good does that feel?
Pretty good. Almost as good as a bottle flip.
Trick is revert.
Okay, that's a good start.
Rail. Oh my god.
Revert rail.
Remove one wheel. Okay. Regular.
He waxed it a lot, I guess.
You waxed it as much as I waxed my chest?
When you can manual before you're about to do a board slide, that's when you know you're pretty good.
Last try.
That was good. That was good. You got it.
You're an animal.
So should we give him the victory at this point?
I think so.
That was fun. That was really, really fun. The new Skate Roulette cards are awesome. So a huge thanks to Wes for making us. I think his full name is Weston Bunting. Definitely check him out. We'll put his information in the description below. You guys should get these cards. They're available on that website. They are super fun to skate with.
They'll push you out of your comfort zone so you'll progress.
Exactly. They will make you do things that you would not normally do. So one day we got to try the beginner mode. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out Luke and Carlos. I'll put their information in the description below. Subscribe, like, and we will see you next time. Peace, guys.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.